Hello everyone. You all have used emoji features in your mobile, but you know how you can use these features in your laptop and computer? Let's take about it today. You can use it on any software inside your computer. For use these features, you just have to press window key plus period button. And you can easily use emoji on any app or software. Okay, that's all today. See you in the next video. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe the channel for more updates. Take care and bye bye.